Hey, what is up guys? I am abeerrao. Welcome back to my channel AR Code Me, and today I'll be sharing with you this JavaScript project that I have built. It is called Age in Days. Come on boy. Yep, there it is. It's called Age in Days. My screen is a little cropped, but don't worry, you'll be able to see the code alright. So this is the HTML for it. Very basic. We got two buttons, flex boxes, of course. Flex box. Why have these flex boxes? Because let's say if someone is like 100 years old and they type that in, was your in what year were you born? You type in, oh, I was born in this year, and they are like 100 years old. So we want our display to fit all the digits that would be in there. Okay. And here is the JavaScript. We have function age in days. It takes in a prompt in what year were you born in. Then we subtract the current year 2020 from it. That gives you your age in years. Multiply by 365 to get it in days. Then we are just basically displaying it, and this reset removes everything like the days. And this is not the most efficient way to do it. Instead of writing 2020, you can make a new date object and then pass in the parameters, but I didn't do that and I won't be doing it. Let's head on over to the code, the actual web page. If I click me, it gives me a prompt. In what year were you born? I was born in 2007, pass that in. I am 4,745 days old. Click on reset. If I pass in 2019, it gives me 365 days old, because 2020 minus 2019 gives us 1. 1 times 365 is 365. If I reset, now here is where the flexbox comes in. Let's say I was born in 2020 minus 100, how much is that? That gives us 1920. See, you're 300. No, that's 36,500 days old. Okay. If I pass in, I was born in 1540. So you are this many days old. A lot of days old. If I pass in, I was born in the year 1. Boom. Okay, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. If you are brand new to the channel and haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button as well to keep receiving coding videos like this one. The Crash Course 2.0 is coming out. It will be fully out with all of its pieces by the end of the year, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.